An archaeological expedition in Kyrgyzstan has discovered a large Buddha statue, believed to be from the 8th to 10th century. The sculpture depicts the Buddha sitting in the lotus position and is 1.5 metres high. The site is thought to be the remains of a Buddhist monastery complex.
Archaeologists in Kyrgyzstan have unearthed a large Buddha statue in the hills outside the capital, Bishkek. Archaeologists from the Kyrgyz Academy of Sciences, working with colleagues from the Russian Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, were digging at a site thought to be the remains of a Buddhist monastery complex. The newly discovered Buddha statue is 1.5 meters tall, almost 5 feet, and depicts the Buddhas sitting in the lotus position.
This sculpture is as high as 2 humans. If we could straighten it out and put it vertically, its height would be about 4 meters, as it is sitting. It's about 1.5 to 2 meters high.
The Buddha statue is believed to date back to a time between the 8th to 10th century.
The excavation of the sculpture is a very laborious task. That is why we cannot date this artifact to any particular time. First of all, we need to excavate it, and then we can say how old it is. Currently, we can date the monastery to a period from the 8th to the 10th century.
Finding Buddhist remains of this kind is rare in the mountainous regions of Kyrgyzstan. Pre-Islamic Buddhist culture is well documented further south in Tajikistan, but very unusual in its northern neighbor, Kyrgyzstan. Locals are accustomed to the excavations, knowing very well that their farmland is in a rich archaeological area.
As children, we collected iron things, a lot of coins, bronze and copper items here. About 50 years have passed since then.
In earlier excavations at the same site near the village of Krasnaya Richka, archaeologists have discovered remains of a Buddhist temple, a fortress, a Karakhanid palace complex, and Buddhist as well as early Christian cemeteries.